Hey everyone! The Honor Tablet GT Pro, officially launched on October 16th, is setting a new standard in the esports tablet market. As the flagship tablet of the Honor GT series, this new device stands out with its cutting-edge 3K 144Hz OLED display, advanced audio technologies, and the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. Designed for an immersive gaming and multimedia experience, the GT Pro is packed with features that cater to both casual and professional gamers. The standout feature of the Honor Tablet GT Pro is its 12.3-inch 3K OLED display, the only one of its kind in this class of tablets. With a screen resolution of 3000 by 1920, a 144Hz refresh rate, and 1600 nits peak brightness, the visuals are both vivid and detailed. The 92% screen-to-body ratio ensures an expansive viewing experience, perfect for gaming and media consumption. The display's contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1 allows for deep blacks and vibrant colors, enhancing immersion in any game or video. Beyond impressive visuals, the tablet also features a highly responsive touch system, boasting a 27% improvement in skill response time during gaming, according to Honor's internal tests. This means quicker reactions and smoother gameplay, making the GT Pro ideal for competitive gaming scenarios. Honor has also prioritized eye health with the GT Pro's OLED display. In addition to its stellar visuals, the GT Pro's audio capabilities further enhance the user experience. With an 8-speaker system that employs Honor's proprietary super-sensing spatial audio technology, the tablet offers immersive sound quality, creating a theater-like experience at home. Under the hood, the Honor Tablet GT Pro packs Qualcomm's third-generation Snapdragon 8's chipset, making it a powerhouse for mobile gaming. Honor's team has fine-tuned the device to deliver a smooth performance, with popular games such as Honor of Kings running at a maximum frame rate of 120 frames per second. Other top games, like League of Legends, can achieve 90 frames per second, offering gamers a high-quality visual experience without sacrificing performance. The tablet's 10,050 mAh battery ensures long hours of gaming and productivity, supported by 66-watt super-fast charging technology. This means users can charge the device from 0 to 100% in just 102 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing usage. Though the GT Pro is designed with gamers in mind, it also excels as a mobile productivity tool. Equipped with the new Honor Magic Pencil 3, featuring 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and zero-pressure ink discharge technology, the tablet offers a smooth, natural writing experience for note-taking and digital art. With integrated AI conferencing tools and document editing capabilities, the GT Pro doubles as a powerful device for work and creative tasks, making it highly versatile. The Honor Tablet GT Pro is available in 3 colors: blue, starry black, and moonlight white. It comes in several configurations. The base model with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage starts at $349, while the higher-end 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage model is priced at $479. The Honor Tablet GT Pro redefines what users can expect from a gaming tablet. With its groundbreaking OLED display, impressive audio-visual performance, and powerful Snapdragon processor, the tablet offers a seamless and immersive gaming experience. Its eye protection features and robust battery life make it a well-rounded device, suitable for extended use. Whether for gaming or productivity, the GT Pro stands out as a flagship model in its class. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write in the comments what other tablet I should compare it with. Have a nice day and see you soon.